Hello everyone. In this video, I'm gonna explain about a special option called strike through. So just select the cell, okay? And if you want to apply the strike through option on this particular cell, then what do you need to do? Just go and press control one. And automatically you'll be popping up some window related to format cells. Go to this font section. Here you'll have an effects group. Under that, we have strike through. Just check it, and if you press OK, then automatically it would get uh, applied. Okay, now if you don't want to apply this for one single cell, instead you want to apply for whole number of cells, then just select the range of the cells, press Ctrl 1 and go to this tab here, this strike through, press OK. Okay, so everything would get striked off. So likewise it is. And and the other way I want to show you is, for example, if you want to apply the strike through for this particular cell, but through some shortcuts, then how to do that? You need to press Ctrl plus 5. Just press Ctrl plus 5. See here, automatically it has been strike through. No need of going to the format cells and checking up the strike through option. No need of that. See, just select all the cells, press Ctrl plus 5. Every cell has been striked off. Okay, now for example, we have a cell called sky, water, fire, air. Okay, this is my cell. Under this cell we have many options like sky, many text: sky, water, fire, air. And if you want to apply the strike through option only for a particular part of the entire cell, then how to do that? For example, just go here in the formula box and select the part that you want to apply strike through. Okay, and if you press Ctrl plus 5, then just come out of that formula box. See here, only the option, only the text fire has been applied with strike through. Okay, why? Because we have only selected that particular part. And if you also want to apply the same for sky too, then what you can do is just select the sky part. Okay, and press Ctrl plus 5. See here, that's the scenario. And if you want to use this strike through option regularly, so I want to make this process easy. So in that sense, here we have a drop down called customizing quick access toolbar. Just go here, and here you have more commands. Go to that here. Commands not in the ribbon. Okay, now what you can do is just go to the yes. Here in the yes section you have strike through. Yeah, this one, just select that and here add this, then automatically click OK. Okay, see here we have got an option called strike through. Now it would be more easy. See, this is my data. Okay, or maybe this is my data. Okay, strike through has already been applied, so what you can do is just select this and apply strike through. Okay, so likewise. So that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Jai Hind.